Hi guys, Vijay here. We have another review video. Today the video is going to about Shark Navigator Lift Away Pro. We bought this for our offices, our office to use it. Not this is for my house. Already I have many vacuum cleaner, but I wanted to review this. I got that chance. So before I open the box, it says what's inside. It's a handle with stretch hose, floor nozzle, extension wand, accessory holder, portable lift away, canister, pet power brush, dusting brush, and 8 inches crevice tool. So you know her. Her name is Anu, if you don't know. A lot of hair around the house. You can see she is losing, and she sleeps with me. And I'm gonna test this on my bed because everywhere is her hair. By the way, again, I'm not professional YouTuber. I'm not professional reviewer. I do this as a hobby, and when someone needs to find any video about the products, if there is, they can watch it. I know some products a lot of people does or do professional review. I don't, and always I say my videos is untouched, unedited, just plain. So let's open the box. Let's see what this looks like. This is first time I am having this product. I never get any Shark product. I don't know the features. We're gonna explore together. Let's open with my famous scissors. Quick start guide, regular owner's guide. Yes, put it together, take it together, turn it, take it. Okay, let's see. I guess this accessory holder. We will see. I have no idea. Okay, this is the main power brush, I guess. So brush roll indicator, there is an indicator, we will see. It says step here to take this down, I guess. Yes, it's movable. Also here's the brush. So first thing for me, I have Samsung, what was that? Samsung Jet something's like Jet 75 Plus. I will do review about it. I opened it. I forgot to do review at that time because I was in a rush. I will going to make a review for that. What I like when you have a brush vacuum, I like to take this brush easily out to clean it. For this, you can clean from here, but I prefer to open it, take it out and cleaning easily. So this you cannot take it out easily. You have to unscrew the bottom and take it out. I can see that. It says skill steps to remove hose, and you can take this out. I don't know why. I guess to clean, put it back. Another box. Pet hair cleaner, the most important thing for my life, because of her. You will see, you will understand why I'm saying that. If you have any pet, dogs or cat, You will see. Okay. Small pet hair cleaning is very small. We will see. I will compare the Samsung. This is the Samsung mini motorized tool. You know, it's not brush, but this is brush. But soon I'm gonna make a review about this product too. This little narrow, small. Okay. There's the clean brush. Another protector. Okay, wand. Let's see what does it do. Okay, accessory holder. This is the top. Okay. Flex hose. That's flexible, yes. There's a suction release to adjust the power of the vacuum, since this is not electronic or automatic. Main unit and 8 inches crevice tool. Okay, let's put this back before we start. Okay, so these are the parts. This is the main unit. For the vacuum cleaner, most important thing, long cable. I prefer retractable cables. I don't like hanging, tingling cables to wrap them. So much for me. I don't like it. So let's see. This product has one feature. You can carry this with you. You don't have to take this anywhere. It says like that. So you open this. Okay. I guess this is a bagless. You don't need to use any bag. This is the advantage. When you're done to clean, just take it out, clean it. I guess, is this coming out? So, that's weird. If I need to clean this, okay, the filter is not coming. I will check it. Doesn't make sense. This is too much. You know, it should be easy, but this is what it is. Here's the HEPA filter. Okay. There's a little handle thing, you can pull it out and you can clean. I'm not sure, is this is washable. I'm gonna check it, I'm gonna tell you. Let's put it back. Okay, let's put together. I believe this goes like that. Okay, here click nose. Okay, some spin it. I guess this. Nope. Sorry, my bad. Okay, so this goes. You will see little sides here. It goes the inside. Okay. And this was the accessory holder. Okay, I need to figure out this. This product goes here. I believe this goes like that. Okay. So just explain me how to do this. I need to check it. I told you, I don't know. So that's the way. Suction control. What does the brush roll indicator light mean? So there's a, I told you, brush roll indicators. It says solid green, the brush roll is spinning and working as it should. Solid red, there's a jam in the brush roll area. Turn your vacuum off and remove any blockage. No light, the vacuum is off. So, the power button has two options, 1 and 2. One is just for floor without motorized brush. The second one, the 2, is for the brush, motorized brush. So, as I said, when you hold here, you know, it comes, and this is, you know, make left and right, something like that, and okay, it is standing like this. Yes, yes, yes. Just I'm checking just in case. Okay. We are exploring together. There's a filter. There's a filter too. One is fat filter. This is the first you put. Okay. And the foam filter. It says every 3 months clean. But how to clean? It says you can clean with this soap. So these are washable. You can wash it with soap, warm water. And for your information, always dry them with natural air. Don't force them to clean. So also HEPA filter, it says every year clean it. This one, it doesn't shake. Cold water, sorry. For this it says cold water and soap. Clean it. And air dry, as I told you, 24 hours at least. And this is washable too. All the filters washable, which is, this is good. Every 3 months this, every year this, or you can decide. Okay, this is done. Just I'm trying to understand how to put so weird thing. Okay, now I understand. Not weird. This goes first. Okay. There's inside some space to lock it. I'll show you. It says there's a lock. When you push it down and turn right like that, now it doesn't go up. Okay. This goes here. I believe it is like that. Okay, or opposite. Let me try the opposite one. Yeah, either way you can use it, but there is nothing for this. So I just realized this is not motorized. This is air powered. There's some I forgot what was the name of this turbine. The air is helping to spin it, which is, we will see how strong it is. Let's put it together and try it. It will be noisy, sorry about that. And this is where the cable goes, because I don't like, I never like it. Also there's a little place, I guess this is for that, just I made it. The good thing is this is very lightweight for me, so this is the future. You can carry this, you don't need this to take it. If you don't need to use, you can take it this, take that and use it. Let's try. Okay, so give me 1 minute please. Where was the mic cable? Oh, it's here. So first, let's try without. So this is the design, I know, but they could put this power button here somehow, you know, turn on, turn off. Could be easy here, which is I have Kenmore, yes, my first and the most beautiful vacuum cleaner is Kenmore. Canister is not upright. Also, I don't like upright. I don't know why, it's just I don't feel nice. I like the canister or the regular one, and it is very strong. It has electric brush, motorized main brush and motorized pet hair brush. Also my Samsung has the same, so it would be nice the power button if was here, but it's okay. Let me try this. Okay, so as you can see, this is the wind turbine powered. Oh, where's the button? So when the vacuum is working, I guess it has strong power engine or something motor. This hose is getting tight and it's hard to pull it away. You know, it can be a little tiresome, but we will see. First, let's try the pet hair. I wanna see how much hair it will get. Let me set up for you. Guys, give me 1 minute. Let's take note. So, since I don't need the main, I'm gonna take this like that. We gotta test this later. So this is where she sleeps with me. Let's test it. Okay. As I told, it's a lightweight. You can carry easily. But so okay, I'm gonna use. I'm not lefty, but I like to hold from left and use the right hand. It would be nice if this was this side for me, or any option like that, left and right. Let's put this and let's try. Almost every 2 days, every 3 days, sometimes a week, once a week, I'm vacuuming and changing the bedding. And let's see. So the thing is, I am also, this is a cleaning tip, if you like to take it. I vacuum and I put it, all the bedding stuff, to the dryer. Also, more hair is getting out like that. And as you see, I don't know what are these little white. I will show you closely. Let's keep cleaning. Also, it's a lot of hair here and also in the bed.
So, first of all, okay, this came out. This locking mechanism is not good. This one. One thing I didn't like it. Also, I should do reverse. Another thing I didn't like it is very hard to hold this and clean with this, because this is very light and is getting down and up, falling. It's a little tiresome, and also when the vacuum is working, it's pulling the hose back, and I'm trying to pull it out to go away. Now my shoulder is tired, but one thing I like it, the suction power is strong. It's nice. As you can see, show you. By the way, another cleaning tip I told you, I'm just vacuuming and putting them to dryer and more here to take it out, and I'm changing, because if I keep it, this lovely girl, you can see how much hair here. Someone can call is not healthy, but I am still alive. I don't have any health problem yet. By the way, I am 45, but it's okay. So the pet hair brush is good. It's easy to clean. Honestly, my Samsung is a portable battery operated, and the pet brush is not strong like this. It's very hard to clean that upholstery, especially with it. And when I'm going to clean it, I use my Kenmore. Okay, let's put this to back. Okay, lock it, and let's go to the main brush again. Let's see. So, 1 minute. So this is my Kenmore canister. I love this. I know the reviews about this, but I wanna compare to you and you can understand. It's easy to use it. I like it's very strong suction power also it has, and it's a pet power made. It's a motorized brush. It's very strong. I can control the power from here, you know, very easy. And you know, I don't have to hold it. It's very easy. Just I'm using it like that, you know. It's very easy to use this. But it's not our subject right now. And also, this is Samsung Jet 75 Plus. I guess I'm going to make a review about this later. And I like this. This is also lightweight. It has nice features. It's the digital, you know, is very quiet. Later we're gonna talk about this. Also I have a robot vacuum and mop options, and the video is ready about the robot vacuum. I'm gonna publish later. So let's go back to shag. Okay, let's put this back. Okay, and let's take this out. So far I like that pet brush, even it's not motorized, it's the wind turbine style. But as I told, I didn't like the holding this and vacuuming it around. It's tiresome for me. Okay, let's see how much hair we will get from carpet. Daily, the robot is vacuuming it. Let's see. Also, you know, the cable, I don't like cable to hold because it's getting, you can be like that or otherwise, you know, or it's gonna be on your way, which I don't like. I always need to hold it. So let's see. Okay. So first of all, unfortunately my carpet is not suitable for this vacuum cleaner because it's a long hair that vacuum, and because nowadays the robot vacuums and the Samsung has what they call not brush. They are not brush. The different, and which is it's not getting tangled. But this is brush. It's trying to pull it out. So I cannot try any carpet. I don't have that much carpet. You can try here. I can try without brush. So the suction power is really strong because I am trying to push it and pull it out. It's very hard. I will try to adjust the suction from here, from the air things, you know. Let's see. So, now more easy. So it is strong. So, it is lightweight, easy to carry, but not easy to clean with it, because you need to hold it, you need to clean it. It's not suitable for these long hair carpets, or I don't know what you call, sorry about, I told you my English not that perfect, I don't know some words to describe. So the carpet or the area rack has to be I don't know, you understand that thing is not suitable for this because it is brush, but it is strong, it is light, you know. The price is cheap, it's not very expensive. It's $150, I guess, and you know, looks like good. Pet brushes better than Samsung, not better than Kenmore, but definitely good.
Okay, there's some, okay. This is nice. Now I just explored this. If you wanna clean this, you can open and you can clean. This is what I thought. It's very easy. I like easy thing. You know, you can take this out. I guess this is coming out too, yes. The engine, the turbine is coming out too. Okay. And you can easily clean the hair from brush. Okay. This is good. We have one nice what else? The cable nowadays is not good idea. It's just looking your way. For me, I like retractable cables. So, but we will use this for our office. It will be good for that. So let's check a little bit this. Is there anything? Okay, actually we checked this. There's nothing to compare. Okay. Okay, this is like some spring inside, because it's going back. And is there anything else? I am not sure why this is removable. To clean, I guess. Okay, this is coming out also. There's nothing else. Maybe there's some reason. Okay. So far, if I'm gonna give point for that, 6 out of 10 maybe. You can see it cleaned. Nice. I like that pet brush. If you have a pet, this will work for you guys. So, if you have any question, comments, just leave it. If you like the video, don't forget to thumb it. Don't forget to subscribe for future or the past videos to watch. I really appreciate for that. So, thanks for watching. See you at the next video.